Welcome. Welcome to our class today. Today I want to show you how to solve this equation. Right? How to solve it. It's too complex, but it's very easy. It's very easy. 108 times y to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 2, and 2y squared in the parentheses or bracket to the then squared or to the power of 2. That's I want to show you how to do it. But first of all, I will start with a simple one just to help you grasp the concept. I have a little one which look on almost the same. Which look almost the same. It's only it is not to the power of 2. You see the difference. You will see the difference. The only difference is to the power of 2, but you see the difference between 2. Okay, that's what I want to show you. Okay, I will start with a simple equation which is almost the same. Example 1. I will call it example 1. I will have 108 y to the power of 4 divided by 2y squared squared again. You come to what? Right? If I can just write something simple here, just a recap, is 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2. That's the same concept we're gonna use here. It's the same concept. 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2. It's the same concept we're gonna use here, and here I will show you. I will rewrite this one in this format. I write 108 times y to the power of 4 is the same as 2y squared, then squared again. This is my right 108 times y times y times y times y. It's the same concept. These are for 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we expand the bottom number. We open up the parentheses or the bracket, or some people would say expand. So 2y squared is the same as writing it as b squared, because this one is considered as one number when it is inside the bracket. I can substitute it with b. It's just like writing it this way, and this would be b times b. So the bottom one value will be 2y squared, that is 1b, times the next b, 2y squared. So this one comes to 108 y times y times y times y times y divided by 2. We expand this one times y times y. Then we expand the next one times 2 times y times y. Then now we can be able to divide. I'm rewriting it so that you can be able to make the reference to this one. Then I don't want to cancel here. So that one and that one goes is 1, 1, that one 1, and that one 1, right? This one 1, this one 1, this 1, this 1, right? So here you are left with 108 divided by 2 times 2. This is 4. Right? This one you have 108 divided by 4 using long division. Just a recap, using the long division. 1 divided by 4 is 0, because 4 is 1 is less than 4, so it's 0. So 0 times 4 is 0. Then you subtract, this is 1, you bring down 0. 10 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract again, you're left with the 2. Then you bring down 8. Uh, 28 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And you subtract 0, 0. So your answer equals to 27. That is example 1. Let's now go and show you how to solve our original equation. This was one example just to help you grasp the concept. Just to help you grasp the concept. Okay, so let's now solve our original equation. Now I will show you how to solve our original equation. Okay, it's almost very similar to the example 1. Okay, our original equation was 108 y to the power of 4 and to the power of 2 divided by 2y squared power of 2 equals what? Okay, that's why I'm gonna show you how to solve it. Okay, so I will write my equation as 108 times y to the power of 4 squared divided by, to parentheses or bracket, y 2y squared power of 2. Okay, this one I write it as 108 times if we come back here, so if I pick y to the power of 4, right, then it is 4. It is the power which is already squared. Assume this one is not there, right? Y, assume there's no y, and this is to the power of 2, right? So we have 4 to the power of 2 is the same as 4 times 4, don't know whether you see it. Assume y is, so in the original you have 4 to the power of y to the power of 4 squared. So you have y to the power of 4 squared. Assume you can't see y, right? I put my finger there. Then I'll have 4 to the power of 2. If you remember the way you said 2 to the power of 2 is the same as 2 times 2. It's the same concept. It's 4 to the power of 2. 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, which is equals to 16. So we substitute. Why? We substitute 4 to the power of 2 with 16. It's 16. I don't know how you can be able to see it that way. This is y. Now we substitute 4 to the power of 2. This is 16. And divide by the bottom number is, if we use the same concept, the number inside the bracket, right, which is, if I put 2y squared to the power of 2, we substitute this with b. So we have b squared is the same as b times b. That's what we're going to substitute here. So we have we have 2y squared, that is representing 1b, times 2y squared, right? And come down here. This is 108 times y divided by 2 times 2 is 4 times when you multiply two numbers, like y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 2, you add the powers. This one comes to y, you add, this is 4. This one comes to 108 divided by 4 times 16. You have 16 y to the power of 16 divided by y to the power of 4. When you are dividing, you subtract the powers. So here is minus 4. So you have 16 minus 4. This is y here, sorry. That's y. So this one will be 108 divided by 4 times y of 12. You have 4 divided by 108 divided by 4. This is 2, this is 0 because of 8. This is 2, this is 8. 28 divided by 4 is 7 because of 28. So you substitute, or simplify this one, it comes to 27. So equals to A and S. So answer is equals to this one, 27 and you have y to the power of 12. That's your answer. So if you like my video, share and subscribe. Share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Okay? Take care.